fine. Thanks for asking. And what about you?
I am fine.
So we are meeting first time, right? So would you introduce yourself?
Yes, sure. My name is Jia. I study in class 6th. My school's name is DAV Public School. I am 10 years old. If you talk about my hobby is painting. And that's all about me.
Oh, nice. Would you like to introduce myself?
Yes.
Yeah. My name is Sandhya Mishra, and I am from UP. I have completed my post graduation, and if I talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies are listening music, teaching, and singing. And nowadays, I am running a YouTube channel which name is Sandhya Ki Classes. That's all. Yeah. So, in which class do you read?
6th.
Six. Wow. So you can study in English medium school?
Yes, I study in English medium school.
Yeah, great. So how many sister and a brother have you?
I have only one brother.
Have only one brother. Good. So uh, can you ask me any question? So you can ask. Okay.
Do you have any siblings?
Yeah, yeah, I have. Do you know about me?
My mother talk about you, but I don't know much about you.
Okay. I am your mother's friend.
Yes, I know.
Yeah. I always talk your mother with your mother. Yeah, she is my friend. We are online friend,
Yes, you are online fan. Because
but
you are contacting in phone. In
yeah,
the
yeah. And you have not any question for me?
no.
Okay, no issue. So tell me about more yourself.
Um,
What you like?
in which color, food, or subject?
Subject?
Subject, English subject.
Okay.
Because I have a funny and good teacher in my school. And it's my hobby also. I love to study English.
English. And you are speaking very well.
Thank you.
Yeah, you are speaking very well. So you have not any question for me?
When
Yes.
did you start your journey? English journey.
That's good question. I have started only 30 days ago my English journey because 30 days ago I have joined an institute whose name is American Institute. So I have started only 30 days ago. You can say I have complete 1 month.
Yes, it's fun.
So today you are looking so beautiful.
Thank you. So
And
today, tell me
you
about your school journey. School
uh,
journey.
Do you want to know about my full journey?
Yes.
Yeah. So if I talk about my full journey, in the beginning time, I was scared. I was so nervous. But after some day, I felt like good because I feel my English is improving. So I feel like good, and now I am not afraid. I am not nervous, and I am not hesitant because I know that I am in the beginning time, and in the beginning time, it will be happen. Maybe I mistake, but I do not think about my mistake. So
Yes.
I am doing right or wrong?
Yes, you are right. You don't have to think about your mistake because if you think, you will not answer in the class so much.
Yeah. So I do not think about it. What I am speaking, I am speaking wrong or right. I only speak because
Yes.
if I don't speak, how can I get fluency? Right?
Yes. How can you learn English if you
Yeah.
don't speak?
Yeah. So I only speak more and more, and I am trying to uh, become a good speaker, and one day I will definitely become.
Yes.
Yeah.
As well.
So, okay, Beta, thanks for giving your best time. Okay. And if you don't mind, I want to upload this video on my YouTube channel. If you don't mind, then.
Yes, you
So,
can.
yeah, yes, yes. So, thank you. Okay.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.